In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram picture after posting it. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up the Instagram app and you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then find the post that you want to edit. It could be an old post or it could be a recent one. It's completely up to you. We're going to do my latest post right here. I honestly need to post something new since I did just graduate. But open up the post, then you need to tap the three dots up in the top right corner. And then from here, you're going to see an edit button on here. Go ahead and select edit. You're going to see a bunch of different stuff that looks something like this. Now, if the post has multiple pictures or videos, you could swipe to whatever one it is that you're trying to edit. Then, of course, you go ahead and select it. For example, we could do this one right here. You could see on here, you're going to see an X up in the top right corner. Go ahead and simply hit that X to remove it. It won't be permanently deleted until like after 30 days. You can still recover it within a 30-day period. But whenever you're done editing, just make sure you hit done up in the top right corner. And once you hit done, you will be good to go. Your post will update and the picture will be removed. That's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.